Hello my people, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming by, you are highly welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I made this flavor extract. I'm using some of the peels I cut out from the fruits, so you can see they're all natural. I'm using the lemon zest, pineapple peel, and coconut, and cinnamon and vanilla bean. Now I'll be stuffing in my lemon zest inside the bottle. Please remember to subscribe. If today's your first time joining me, please subscribe. It has a long way of helping me in this channel. As you can see, I'm breaking down my cinnamon and stuffing them inside the bottle. This is so easy. I like getting my own ingredients by myself. As you can see, it's better you make your own natural. If you are addicted to baking, I bet you will love this. It's better to make your own. And now I'm adding my coconut. I screwed them up. You can see I'm stuffing it inside the bottle. Feel free to use any bottle of your choice. And now I'm putting my pineapple peels. All these are all natural fruits and natural ingredients that you can use and get what you want instead of spending your money buying them. And now I'm using my vanilla bean. I'm gonna cut it open. You see, it's very pliable. When you bend it, that's how you know the right one. You bend it to know if it's good. Now I'm cutting them open so that it's easy for the bean to come out, and this will increase the flavor of the vanilla. Okay, as you can see, I already stuffed everything inside. Now I'm using my vodka. I'll be pouring them in. It's better you use the vodka. It brings out the flavor. It doesn't have taste. It's just an alcohol. I'll be pouring them inside. They will all get infused. You can see, you just close it tight and give it a shake and store them in a cool and dark place. And every 2 times in a week, always shake them, bring them out and shake them. This is after 1 month. As you can see, it's ready to be used. Yeah, and this can store for at least for 1 year or more than that. And as you're using it, you can top up your vodka the more inside. But you can see it's so easy. You can make yours and store them as long as you want. Here is my pineapple. Oh, they all smell so good. You can make yours instead of spending money buying. Make yours and use as you want. And this is my vanilla. You can see it's turning up gradually. This I can store it for up to 1 year and nothing will happen to it. And the more I use it, the more I top it up. And this is my cinnamon. Oh, the flavor is so great. The aroma is so cool. And see, you can make yours. It's so easy. See the lemon, they all came out well, very strong. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like what we are doing, and also share. I really appreciate always tagging along with me for my returning subscriber. See you on my next video. Bye.